Hello. Today's a special day because this is the first day of this comic book, and this is a variant, which means it has a random cover. So it'll be like 1 out of 12 random covers, and nobody knows what's going to be inside. So we'll find out right now. So this is Batman number 1, 2025. Picked this up at the comic book store. They sold out of the regular singles, so I was forced to buy this one. But just 1 second. So this is Matt Fraction, I believe, who wrote this. And this is his first comic, Batman comic. And, oh, there you go. Sweet. So that's definitely a variant. I like the artwork. It's pretty much classic Batman, I guess. It's not like absolute Batman where it's like completely disheveled Batman, but yeah, this is more modern Batman, I suppose. And this is the cover, the normal cover. So you pay a little extra for the top cover here, so it's an extra $5, I suppose. But see some of the artwork here. And Batman. So this creature here, I'm not too sure who he is. And some scientist lady. She's over here too. And that's cool. It's got the Gotham radio or news channel. And news channels are a good way to portray superheroes, because it kind of tells you like where they're at politically. So you can see Matt Fraction there. It's the writer. And then George Menez, who's a really popular artist. Seems to be a crisis in Gotham of some sort. So here, I'm bringing in a force multiplier to your street presence from the world of private security, tactical urban combat officers, recapturing tonight's escapee. So somebody escaped from prison, and Batman's on it. I'm just checking this out for the first time too, so cool. Looks like Batman hit somebody. Usually not typical of Batman, but maybe they're trying to slow him down or something. Yeah. It's really nice artwork. Looks like he's got some new equipment too here. He has the Batman gauntlets, electrocharged, 250 megavolt charge. he's going to use those against his enemies. I don't know if this is, it looks like Killer Croc here, which is pretty cool. So he's going to use his gauntlets. Definitely some type of dinosaur slash mutant or something, because there's a T-Rex right there. Yeah. It seems like both of them are checking out this T-Rex, not fighting, so that's different. So maybe these guys partner up, I'm not sure. And you can see more of his bat suit and the bat cave there, and his automobile looks pretty sick. And it looks like he's got a little T-Rex that he's growing. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. Looks like Robin here. It's pretty sick. And then more Batman here. So we end the first issue, which came out today, with Robin. So he's in there. These are all the variant covers, and it looks like I got number 5 here. I could have gotten 5, 6, 7. 7 looks pretty cool, but they're all pretty nice. But I may have preferred 7, just because the cape and all that stuff looks gothic and stuff. But I like this. It's more of a sculpture-esque, I guess. And there's a little demo of Superman, I guess. This might be the preview of the next issue. More of that here. It's pretty cool. They give you a few pages. Cool. So yeah, go and pick it up at your local comic book store if they still have it. They sold out at mine. And, maybe in the future I'll do a motion comic type read through. Audio comic, if you want to call it that. It helps me too, because I prefer to hear the comic book read than read it in quiet. And this is the one I was reading, and I have the second part that I'm still working on. I have all of the visuals edited. It's just I have to plug in the audio recording with my microphone. So I'll finish that, and it starts to get really good by issue like 8 or 9. Gets into Killer Croc and Bane, so stoked for that. And it's very violent, so it's one of the most violent Batmans out there, so cool. And Peacemaker, I was watching this show last night, and yeah, I have to give it a 2 thumbs up, because it's really entertaining and really well done. And I saw a little bit of his stuff in Suicide Squad, so he's probably up there with one of my favorites right now. So yeah. And the guy that made the Superman movie, I believe that's him. That's the executive producer in that. So definitely something to watch out for. It's on HBO. I bundled Disney with HBO this week. It just came out, and it's $18 Canadian. So it's not a bad deal to bundle up your DC and Marvel for $18. Plus you get all the HBO and all that stuff. So check that out. So there you go. I want to still do some more GTA stuff. I was thinking about maybe going back to Kyle and doing some stuff there, maybe in the future, but right now I'm kind of, my PS5 and my TV's all packed away, and all that stuff is packed away, so I have to figure out a time and place I could do all that stuff. So, but definitely I'll be back for GTA 6 and GTA Online, the new GTA Online. I'll check that out and keep going with that. And if you guys like the motion comic audio type thing, I'll probably continue to do that too, because there's so much content. So yeah, pick it up in stores today, September 3rd, 2025. Thanks for watching.